Alrighty, so first up is, you know what? Let's start with some jalapeno. It's a jalapeno. We're gonna do this. Good balance. Shot one. Da-da-da-da. All right, guys. So I'm at the stove now, obviously. So I have my some garlic and all that stuff. It's all done. The stuff you might not see. It's better to use fresh ginger. Fresh ginger is so much better. I don't go through it enough, but this is just dirty minced ginger. Also, if you can have fresh mushrooms, I got lazy. I got these ones. But that's okay, right? We're just going, it's just for me. This is like a bachelor meal. And Canada, AAA Canadian beef. The pan's on. I'm going to put a little bit of sesame seeds in there. I love sesame. Just like that. Just a little bit. A little more. And my dishwasher in the background's all done. We're going to, just a little bit in the wok. I'm using an actual wok, so this will give it that little bit of flavor. And that's why we use sesame seed oil. You want to stir fry without the meat. And you always want to do the meat first because you're not going to cook it fully. Now, if you could only smell what I can smell right now, it's phenomenal. So I'm getting ready to put the meat in. So I'm going to put some of this little sauce. Secret sauce. It's actually sesame sauce. You're going to put quite a bit in because this is the sauce that's going to carry your whole stir fry. This is the only time you're putting sauce in. So don't be shy. It's a little saucy, a little bit wet, you know, that's okay. Just take a bunch of it. Make sure it's not gonna clump up on you. Just throw it in. I'm just taking a look at it. You know, this is all raw. It's been sitting in my fridge for a day or two. You know what, I'll take care of it another way. I'm gonna use the sauce to lubricate it. And that's what another thing the sauce does. So here it is. It's starting to bubble and get some warm steam coming off of it. And as you can see, all the strips now are starting to separate. That's because they're warming up and all the fats from the beef is helping it as well. So don't be afraid. It does look really juicy right now. All right, so it's really starting to roll now. It's about halfway cooked, maybe a quarter cooked. It's still pretty pink, but I really want to have those onion and garlic flavors inside of the beef, as well as the sesame flavor. It'll really bring out all the flavors. So what I'm going to do is I'm doing it a little bit early. I like my my onions a little softer. And if you've noticed, I am not measuring anything. This is just kind of, I'm throwing it together. I wish you guys could smell this. It's phenomenal. All right, look at that. It's looking really good now. The beef for my liking it's just right. So now that everything's going good, now we're gonna add everything else because I like all my veggies and everything fresh. So here comes jalapenos and red pepper. All right, so I'm gonna put that much ginger in, which is plenty. Believe it or not, that is plenty. Now, what you see here is there's some egg noodles, and I don't have a proper serving device, but you're gonna see how well this looks. I'm gonna stack it way up top. I like things up top here, just like that. Just a little more, you know. Make sure you grab some beef and some stuff in there, some onions. So here we are. Bon appetit. That mushroom is very fresh. It's got some of the capsaicin from the jalapenos, but it's phenomenal. Let's try a piece of beef. Just a little piece, like that. Very tender. You can taste the sesame. I really wish you guys could taste this. This is phenomenal. Red pepper. Here we go. That was good. This is where I might regret it. That's a jalapeno. I don't do spice. Bon appetit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, that's hot. So good. Flavor filled. Have a great day, guys. Oh.